Yo, this is KC from Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm gonna try out the Few, the Good Habit, just because I'm trying to stop vaping. It's called the Good Habit. We are here to stick with you, not to your lungs. Pretty nice. Pretty nice cover. Like the pen, like the design, like the color. Trying to look for the flavor. No nicotine, no vapor, just delicious flavored favorite air.
Flavored air.
Yeah. Love Few XOXO. Can't read. Okay, let's check. This is security.
That's childproof.
For you. Ooh.
Oh, did it break or is it good quality?
Seems like it didn't break.
So it's like a fidget toy?
So it closes and it opens. It's like the filter air flow and what?
What's underneath? Is there anything else in there or what? In the box?
I think that's everything. Nope.
You gonna read the instructions or nah?
I guess. It's alright. Sticker. The Good Habit. The envelope. Now this is, I believe, the flavor's crispy mint.
So how'd you put it in? You're gonna just... Are you not even gonna read the instructions? You're that confident? Alright.
Oh, the first page I opened up was what I was looking. Okay. Smells pretty good. Well, I guess. Instructions say. Ooh, a habit tracker. We believe in you. Nice guy. Now let's take a hit. Puff.
On the highest setting or what?
Yeah, high setting. So that's,
Most airflow?
yeah. Yeah, pretty good. It's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. The flavor's a little.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I heard they have like a mango one. Which one would you try? Cinnamon or mango? The mango's the newest one. You think that'd be better?
Oh yeah. This one I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. The
Shit.
flavor.
That's what's up. Do you think it's gonna help you quit vaping?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Hell yeah.
And I like the design.
Do you have ADHD or not? Because I heard it's good for fidgeting. It's like a fidget toy too.
For sure, I do.
Hey, take one last hit, like a hella deep ass rip. Just for the viewers.